A man with a talking parrot is getting married. On the day of the wedding he says to the parrot, "Now look here, I know you are always sat in that window sticking your beak in. When me and my new wife get back from the wedding, I want you to turn round and no matter what you hear, I do not want you to turn back or I'll break your neck, do you understand?" The parrot reluctantly agrees. On returning from the wedding the parrot turns round as instructed. And behind him the bride and groom start to pack for the honeymoon. The wife however has packed too much and they can't get the case closed. "Get on top and sit on it, baby," says the man. The woman does so and grunts and moans but can't shut the case. "You get on top, baby, it might be better," says the wife, so the man grunts and groans and tries his best but still can't shut the case. After a little thought the man says, "Okay, we'll both get on top, see if that's any better." The parrot turns round and says, "Neck or no neck, I have to see this."